Change password on Twitch. Hey guys, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to change your password using the Twitch app. Like these kinds of videos? We've got more related content on the channel. Subscribe, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright folks, let's open up the Twitch app. Once in Twitch, tap your profile picture at the top. Then tap the last option, Account Settings. In Account Settings, tap Security and Privacy. Scroll down and tap the Password option. Here you can change your password. Enter your current one first. Forgot it? Tap Forgot Password below to reset. But you need the current password. Enter the new password and confirm it. Once done, tap Complete at the top. Any questions? Leave them in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless.